Yo guys, I hope you're doing good. So this is going to be an English speaking video. The whole video is going to be in English. So my topic is going to be that I have been very sick since 2000, not 2000, 25th of November. So it's last month. And this month, today, still, I don't have the fever, but I have something with my mouth. So anyway, in this phase, I have some realization over my life and the things I'm with. So you know what? In my childhood, like 3 or 4 years ago, I used to think that I would never get sick and like I can control my body, I can control everything. But I want to tell you one thing that there are certain things in life that you cannot control, and your body is one of them. You might feel that if you're young, that no, you're super energetic. You're playing whole day, so you have that immunity system very high, very good. But when you grow up with time, you cannot control the sickness, you cannot control some pain in the back or something. You started to have, you start to have. So these things will rise up with time, that you are having pain, back pain, you're having headache. So all these things you will have. Anyway, in my time, I have been very sick. I don't get sick usually, but last year in November I got sick, and after 1 year right away, so I got sick again. But this time it was heavy. It was to 25th of November, and 26th of November I had one important exam, my final year exam. But luckily, I don't know how it got cancelled for the movement of students and all. The students, they are fighting for university tag or whatever. I don't know very well. So for that reason, it got cancelled. So like everyone, I also thought that the sickness will go away with time. I have to take medicine. But I'm a boy, I'm a guy who actually doesn't want to take medicine, and always against of taking medicines, because I know medicines have side effects. But you cannot help but to take these medicines. So I took, but I have to take antibiotics because I had exam also in the 1st of December, so I had to recover myself so early. So for that reason, I took antibiotics from suggestion from my friends, one of my friends, not from a doctor. So antibiotic that I took has had one side effect. So it grew something inside my mouth like a pimple. So I had something like my mouth. I don't know if there were ulcers, but there was something that hindered me to eat something. I couldn't eat anything at that time. So it was like here three and three, and also uh, up of the tongue. So I couldn't eat something, and later I realized there is nothing I can eat, only liquid, and also liquid would hurt, especially any spicy thing I cannot eat. So literally I cannot eat anything, but I can eat water, but the water should be hot, and also I can eat liquid. So how do I take nutrition inside? You know. Then I realize I wish I can eat guava with salt and powder, chili powder. I wish I could eat pineapple with chili powder and salt. I wish I could eat these things. So I had that phase that I had to realize that I wish I could eat again. You know, so eating something, to be able to eat something is like a power. Now is like a super wish for me. So can you realize that eating is a very normal? You are walking, what you are walking, you're speaking. These things are very normal to us. But when you cannot do that, and it seems impossible to do it again, so you feel that this is a superpower. I'm not being a motivator here, I'm not giving you motivation, but you don't realize that you're able to move your hands, move your legs, you're able to speak. and you don't realize this is a power. This is a power, and you'll realize when, in the absence of these things, you fall sick or you get accident, so you got hard hair, you cannot speak, so you'll see that this is a power, and you will seek reason that you wish you can speak again, eat again. So the same way I felt that I wish I could eat again. So at that time I thought that one day when I will be able to eat anything, so I will eat the whole thing, everything, with pickles, and anything that I want to eat, chips, chanachur, chotpute, and especially rice. I couldn't even eat rice. We Bengali, we eat rice 3 times a day, so I couldn't eat one time. I lost my weight. At that journey. So now yesterday when I realized that I felt that I can eat, so I tasted it. I got down and I bought chanachur just to taste that if I can eat. Then I realized that I can eat, like in a way I can eat. So I thought that it was like a feeling that I got my life back. So yeah, literally it was like, oh my god, I can eat again. Then I instantly ordered chotputty, so I ate it, even though I cannot eat right now also 100% spicy food, but I can eat. Yesterday night I was able to eat rice, so it's life. So just saying that, I also realized that a couple of years ago when I lost my mobile, and then I had to use a cartoon mobile. A mobile you cannot, you press one thing and it responds after 2 minutes. So you realize that mobile is also a gift. So I think whatever we do is a gift, because in the absence of that, you will feel that this is very expensive things. So just speaking that in front of you, that it was quite a moment. Bye.